Question 50 है how many molecules of ATP would be utilized for phosphorylation of one glucose molecule during glycolysis? 1, 4, 2 या 3? Correct option is Charlie. 2 molecules of ATP would be utilized. Question 51 है which of the following process does occur for the formation of acetyl CoA from pyruvate? Decarboxylation, hydrogenation, carboxylation या deamination? Correct option is alpha, decarboxylation. Question 52 है before entering into Krebs cycle, the pyruvate is first decarboxylated and oxidized into alpha ketoglutaric acid, citric acid, glyceric acid या acetic acid. Correct option is delta, acetic acid. Question 53 है pyruvate, the end product of glycolysis, moves from cytosol to mitochondrial matrix where it is oxidized into dash producing carbon dioxide as byproduct. Acetic acid, citrate, NAD या FAD? करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज अल्फ़ा, एस्टिक एसिड. क्वेश्चन 54 है कि पायरोवेट की एसिटाइल कोए में कन्वर्जन के दौरान क्या होता है? FAD प्लस FADH में कन्वर्ट होता है, NAD प्लस NADH में, या NADH NAH प्लस प्रोटॉन में, या FADH FAD प्लस प्रोटॉन में? यहाँ पे करेक्ट ऑप्शन बीटा है, NAD प्लस NADH में कन्वर्ट होता है. क्वेश्चन 55 है in what stage of aerobic respiration are two carbon molecule oxidized completely to carbon dioxide? Glycolysis, electron transport chain, Krebs cycle या Calvin cycle? Correct option is Charlie, Krebs cycle. Question 56 है Krebs cycle in mitochondria takes place in cytosol, matrix, outer membrane या inner membrane? Correct option is beta, matrix. Question 57 है at the beginning of Krebs cycle, acetyl CoA combine with which substance to form citrate? Oxaloacetate, oxoglutarate, fumarate या succinate? Correct option is alpha, oxaloacetate. Question 58 है total NADH formed by one glucose molecule during Krebs cycle are 6, 3, 8 या 18? Correct option is alpha, 6. Question 59 है one molecule of FADH2 is produced in Krebs cycle during conversion of fumarate to malate, succinate to fumarate, malate to oxaloacetate, alpha ketoglutarate to succinate. Correct option is beta, succinate to fumarate. Question 60 है in one turn the Krebs cycle produce one molecule of ATP, one molecule of FADH2 and dash molecule of NADH. 1, 2, 3 या 4? Correct option is Charlie, 3 molecules of NADH. Question 61 है malate is oxidized by dash to oxaloacetate in Krebs cycle? ATP, NADP, NAD या FAD? Correct option is Charlie, NAD. Question 62 है acceptor of acetyl CoA in Krebs cycle is oxaloacetate, citrate, succinate या fumarate? Correct option is alpha, oxaloacetate. Question 63 है the enzymes required for Krebs cycle are found in lysosomes, matrix, cytoplasm या F1 particle? Correct option is beta, matrix. Question 64 है the terminal electron acceptor in electron transport chain is hydrogen, iron, cytochrome या oxygen? Correct option is delta, oxygen. Question 65 है final acceptor of electrons in respiratory chain is cytochrome A, oxygen, cytochrome A3 या cytochrome C? Correct option is beta, oxygen. Question 66 है every molecule of NADH fed into electron transport chain produces 6 ATP, 2 ATP molecules, 4 ATP या 3 ATP? Correct option is delta, 3 ATP. Question 67 है in electron transport chain the electrons from NADH and FADH2 are passed to cytochrome A, cytochrome A3, coenzyme C या coenzyme Q? Correct option is delta, coenzyme Q. Question 68 है carriers of respiratory chain are located on alpha option है matrix of mitochondria, beta outer membrane of mitochondria, Charlie inner membrane of mitochondria और delta cytoplasmic matrix? Correct option is Charlie, inner membrane of mitochondria. Question 69 है which form of anaerobic respiration occur in muscle cell of humans and animals during extreme physical activities? लैक्टिक एसिड फर्मेंटेशन, अल्कोहलिक फर्मेंटेशन, ग्लाइकोलाइसिस या पायरोविक एसिड ऑक्सीडेशन। करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज अल्फा, लैक्टिक एसिड फर्मेंटेशन। क्वेश्चन 70 है, एंड प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ यीस्ट फर्मेंटेशन, बैक्टीरियल फर्मेंटेशन एंड एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन आर। अल्फा ऑप्शन है सिट्रिक एसिड, लैक्टिक एसिड, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर। बीटा इथाइल अल्कोहल, सिट्रिक एसिड एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड। चार्ली इथाइल अल्कोहल, लैक्टिक एसिड, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर। और डेल्टा मेथानोल, लैक्टिक एसिड एंड सिट्रिक एसिड। करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज चार्ली, इथाइल अल्कोहल, लैक्टिक एसिड, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड वाटर। Question 71 है, the end product of anaerobic respiration in humans and other animals is pyruvic acid, ethanol, lactic acid या glucose। Correct option is Charlie, lactic acid।